Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share something truly special with you, something that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a flagship experience. This is the Xiaomi 14 Pro, a smartphone that redefines what a premium device can be. It's got the performance, it's got the design, and yes, it's got that amazing price tag that makes high-end features more accessible to everyone. With this phone, Xiaomi isn't just creating another flagship. They're making the flagship experience available to everyone who's ever dreamed of owning a top-tier smartphone. So let's dive in and explore what makes the Xiaomi 14 Pro such an incredible device. Starting with the design, the Xiaomi 14 Pro is crafted beautifully. You'll notice the sleek, minimalist design with a polished metal frame and a glass back that just screams premium. Xiaomi has clearly paid attention to detail here. Every corner, every curve feels purposeful. Holding it, you'd never guess it's a phone that costs so much less than its competitors. It's also available in stunning colors that reflect light in a way that feels alive. Whether you're going for the classic black or the new pastel tones, this is the kind of design that doesn't just look good, it feels personal, almost like an extension of yourself. Now, let's talk about the display, because this is a big part of what makes the Xiaomi 14 Pro feel like a flagship. It features a 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a crisp 2K resolution, vibrant colors, and ultra-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Watching videos, playing games, or even just scrolling through social media feels like a next level experience. And the best part, it has an adaptive refresh rate which adjusts automatically based on what you're doing. So, you get all the smoothness when you need it and battery savings when you don't. This is a feature you typically find in much pricier phones, but here it's available for everyone. Let's move on to the camera, because Xiaomi has really outdone themselves here. The Xiaomi 14 Pro sports a triple camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens, and a 50MP telephoto lens. The results: stunning detail, rich colors, and a dynamic range that captures every little moment beautifully. In low light settings, this camera shines with Xiaomi's advanced night mode, making every photo look crisp and true to life. And for video creators, it supports 8K video recording and has excellent stabilization, letting you capture life's special moments without worrying about quality. This camera setup isn't just for taking pictures, it's for preserving memories that feel as vivid as the day you experienced them. Under the hood, Xiaomi 14 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, making it one of the most powerful phones in this price range. Paired with up to 12GB of RAM and blazing fast 4.0 storage, this phone can handle anything you throw at it, whether it's high-intensity gaming, heavy multitasking, or editing videos. On the GO. Performance on the Xiaomi 14 Pro doesn't just mean speed, it's about giving you the freedom to create, to play, and to work without limitations. Xiaomi's optimized MIUI software ensures a smooth experience that truly feels like a flagship. Battery life is another area where Xiaomi has pulled out all the stops. The 14 Pro houses a 5000 mAh battery, which means you can easily get through a full day of usage even if you're gaming, streaming, and taking tons of photos. And if you do need to recharge, it supports 120W hypercharge, which can get you from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes. There's also 50W wireless charging, so you're covered no matter how you prefer to charge. With this kind of battery performance, Xiaomi has ensured that this phone won't just keep up with your lifestyle, it'll make it better. So here's the bottom line: Xiaomi 14 Pro isn't just a smartphone, it's a reminder that technology should be accessible. That premium experiences shouldn't only be for those who can afford the latest and most expensive devices. Xiaomi has taken all those flagship features we dream about and brought them to us at a price that feels within reach. For anyone out there who's been dreaming of owning a phone that's not just good but great, that's not just powerful but empowering, the Xiaomi 14 Pro could be your dream come true. Because sometimes it's not about the brand or the status, it's about what a device can bring to your life. And this one brings so much. Thank you for watching. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, share it with anyone who's looking for a powerful smartphone that doesn't break the bank. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Xiaomi 14 Pro and which feature excites you the most. Until next time, keep dreaming big and staying connected.